Greetings everyone. Welcome to Intermediate Algebra Introduction video. In this course, I'm going to give a whole list of lectures that would comprise of a semester's worth of algebra that's needed in order to take the college level college algebra. Coming into this course, you will already be expected to have some basic equation solving of linear equations, things that have x to the 1 power. So before you take this course, it is assumed that you know how to do some just very, very basic equation manipulation of adding things to both sides of equations or simplifying expressions and distributive property, things like that. Okay? So from there, we tie it back in and we talk about factoring polynomials, which is a huge chunk of a lot of things that come up in the semester-long course of this. And it actually appears in all of the other things that we do, or 90% of all the other things that we do, and it comes up constantly in the next course in college algebra. From there, we talk about rational and radical types of objects, things that are expressions, things that are equations. We learn how to simplify both. We learn how to manipulate both. We learn how to solve both types of those equations. Then there's also some basic and some line graphing in the rectangular coordinate system. Basic graphing would be points. Line graphing, of course, would be graphing the actual objects of lines and the equations that go with that. And then we talk about functions a little bit just to get your head ready for the big talk of studying functions in college algebra. On top of that, at the very end, we'll even be talking about solving quadratic equations, which is something that a lot of college algebra courses may even require you to have already experienced. Okay? I do use GeoGebra for any of the graphics that we do. So in this course, you'll probably see that more in the line and basic graphing regions. However, GeoGebra is a program that does comprise a lot of different algebra topics, and it is 100% free for your computer, and it turns your computer into a super graphing calculator is what it does. OpenStax is also something that I use quite often in my courses. It offers free textbooks and other resources. The textbooks read the same as any other. It's good information, and they give a lot of extra practice problems for you to see if you're along the correct lines and practicing your skills here. So I hope you enjoy this series that I'm putting out on intermediate algebra.